Welcome to Print of the Week, Episode 2. Today we're going to be printing a fidget ring. Let's get started! So I'm going to pull it off the build plate real quickly and just clean it up a little bit, and then I'll show you how it works. So it's just 6 interlocked rings that you can spin, and it's a very satisfying thing just to play with. You can just hold it in one hand and kind of goof around with it, and it's really satisfying and fun. And there's also that little hook up top where you could have a keychain or some other type of device to have it connected to, say, like a backpack or maybe like your keys, just to have